World Championships 2023, and one of the most top-rated match that I saw in men's doubles was Kang Seo versus Kim Estrup and Rasmussen. This was one of the best match from World Championships 2023. I will highly recommend you, if you ever watch World Championships, or if you are badminton lover, or if you just watch badminton, this match is highly recommended by my side. Kang Seo versus Kim Estrup and Rasmussen from Denmark. 14-21 they lost first set. Kang Seo lost first set, second set 21-15, and third set was just incredible. I will recommend you don't miss third set from first point to last point. Kang Seo versus Estrup Rasmussen. This is one of the top rated match in last few years that I ever saw. So of course Kang Seo won World Championships 2023, and next is men's singles, and Kunlaut Witsan defeated Kodai Naraoka with 19-21, 21-18 and 21-7 scores. I always talk about those four players in men's singles: Lee Zijia, Sen Lakshya, Kunlaut Witsan and Loh Yuk Kin. These four players I always talk about that have potential to, I will say, that dominate men's singles for years and years, but only one person, Kunlaut Witsan, is using his potential, and this tournament was proof for me, like how he used to perform and how he's continuing to perform in same way. I have seen that Kunlaut Witsan lose in some Super 500, Super 750, maybe he loses in this type of tournaments, but when it comes to Olympics, when it comes to World Championships, when it comes to big tournaments, always Kunlaut Witsan performs, and that's what I always want from him. That's the thing that I want to see from all other players like Lee Zijia, Loh Yuk Kin and Sen Lakshya too, but all three are not using their potentials. But what will happen in this year's World Championships, I don't know, because I'm skeptical about Kunlaut Witsan. The reason is that in last few months Kunlaut Witsan is looking a bit, I will say, that shaky. He is losing in first round even though he was world number one, okay, but after 1 or 2 weeks CUG again replaced him for world number one, and I was thinking like Kunlaut Witsan had the chance to, I will say, that hold world number one ranking for a long time, but he again got defeated with a junior level champion of China. He defeated in round of 16, I think so, in China Open, on Japan Open, and that was time for like, why Kunlaut Witsan, why you lost that match? But that's completely fine. You lose sometimes, you win sometimes, but 2025 World Championships can be a breakthrough for him. Maybe if he meets Kunlaut, I will say that Shiuchi or someone big players, he has the chance to defeat them and win World Championships 2025. Comment down, what do you think about Kunlaut Witsan? Is he going to win 2025 World Championships or not? And let's talk about next Chen Jia, who are coming back again in Korea Masters. Maybe they are coming back in next month there again. I really want Jia to be with Zhang only. I don't want Jia to go back with Chen. Of course they are top rated players, but Zhang and Jia are literally performing top rated matches, man. I'm loving this pair from last 2 to 3 months. The level of gameplay Zhang has put up with Jia, I'm just really hoping that after some time, if Chen Jia decide to split again, I will recommend and not recommend, it's their choices, but I'm just thinking that Jia should go with Zhang. But they won World Championships 2025 against Apriyani and Siti from Indonesia. Scores were 21-16, 21-12. This match was, I will say, that more of one-sided match, so I'm not going to discuss about this match a lot, because of course Chen Jia are world champions. They are more than, I will say, the gold medalist on Olympics. Talk about mixed doubles. I haven't seen so many players who defeat Zhang Wang. There are so little players, I will say, that 2 or 3 pairs who can beat Zhang Wang, like Watanabe Higashino. I have always talked about Watanabe Higashino. Then this pair who won World Championships 2023, Che and Seo. Right now Che is with another player, but Seo and Che, this pair was too good. Let me tell you just scores, you will understand. Against Zhang Wang, okay, they defeated Zhang Wang in World Championships 2023. Scores were 21-17. First set Seo Che won, then second set 10-21, and third set 21-18. I will recommend you to watch second set how Zhang Wang dominated CO and Che, but I will say that the attack and I will say that stable gameplay of CO and Che, they have won that match. Most of the time, I have always said that whenever Zhang take that attack from backhand side part of the court, he just attack, and that's what I like about him. Less advantage for Zhang Wang, but they were top rated pair even in last year 2024. Always Zhang Wang were best players, but CO and Che just outshined them in third set. Okay, that match was crazy good, but what happened to Che and CO, I don't know. Okay, I don't know about that, how why they split up and all. But let's talk about women singles and Anseung versus Karina Marin. It was final match between these two players. I will just say one word for Anseung, that she was meant to be the top rated player. She was meant to be the goated player. I will just recommend you, if you are a badminton watcher, if you love to watch badminton matches, I will recommend that 2018, 2017 to 2017, 2018, when Anseung used to be a junior player. I will recommend you to watch her gameplay at that time. She has improved a lot, but at that time when she was almost, I will say that not that mega, I will say that matured player, but still she was giving tough fight against Akane Yamaguchi. She was giving tough fight against Tai Ying, against Karen Amarin at that young age, and that was the seed that this player right now, the Anseung, who is dominating every other player like no one is able to even stand against her. Okay, so that player was 2017 player who again, like I will say that upgraded herself. I will just give you one small example, like when Chen Yufei defeated Anseung, right? When Chen Yufei defeated Anseung last month, after some time when they met against each other, literally Anseung thrashed out Chen Yufei. She improved a lot, like when or every portions, like Chen Yufei is naturally attacking player. Okay, so sidelines were perfect. The Anseung was defending those matches by Chen Yufei. Everything that she wanted, she just upgraded that thing. And let me give you a second example. Wang Zi did third set against her in All England. Okay, in other one tournament too, when Wang Zi did third set, but when last month when they met each other, literally Anseung thrashed out with scores of 10 and 12. Just imagine, Wang Zi is world number 2. She's not an easy player, 10th rank or 8th rank player. She's world number 2, and Anseung literally defeated her in 10 and 12 scores. These are the scores when I will say that beginner player or intermediate player plays against a top rated player. These type of scores happens at that time, but Anseung, that's why she is the GOAT, and I will not, I am even not thinking a second that Anseng is losing this year's 2025 World Championships. She is winning with, I will say that, great margin. I am just watching. I just hope any one player, even Chen Yufei, Wang Zi, any one player give tough fight to her at third set. If any match gets into third set against Anseung, I will be more than happy. I have always supported Anseung, and I have always said that she is the GOAT. She is the future. She is the current top rated player, and she is meant to be a legend player. Okay, for me, she is legend right now too. So what I'm expecting from Anseung 2025, she is winning World Championships, man. No one is here to stop her. So what are your prediction for World Championships 2025? Just comment down below. Do you think any player from this list that I gave you in gold medal matches, any other person is going to win or not? Just comment down below, okay? And do you think Kunal Son is going to win World Championships 25? Comment down below. See you in next video. Bye bye.